Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA TR7620 all-in-one printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and setup, and then how to do the Wi-Fi Direct setup and do the scanning with this printer. And this is a wireless printer. We can use it for the wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the unboxing first. So now I'm going to show you how to set up this printer. Now the first thing is to install the A4 size sheets. So we can do it at the front tray, which is a cassette tray, also at the rear paper tray. For rear paper tray you just have to slide it out, and here we can place the page, as you can see here, and you can just close this section, but the page will stay out. And if you don't want to keep it out, you can just close it and you can open the cassette tray. So here we can place the pages as well. So just adjust the size, place the pages here, and you can simply close it. Now switch on the printer, so just press the power button. So here we have to select the language, and you can confirm set to English, yes. Now it's saying start print setup. Continue with setup by referring to the manual, so you can do that as well, and just click OK. Next step is to install the ink cartridges. So I'll show you how to install them. Now open the ink cartridge chamber door, so you can lift from the side. So here you can place your fingers and just lift it. It will move it up, and this door will hold itself. Here we can see the ink cartridge chamber, so that has come to the middle, and here are the 5 ink cartridges which we get with this printer. Now we have to take the ink cartridges out of the sealing, as you can see. So you just have to pull it and just tear it off. Also there is an orange seal we have to remove. Just press it down and your ink cartridge is out now, so we can use it now. So here we can see this is the area. Now we have to install them according to the alphabets and the color. So as you can see the M, so you can install the M here. So simply has to slide it in and place it downwards, and then we have to go to the next, that is BK. So it's very easy and simple to install. After that is the Y, then comes the PGBK. Now is the number C. So once it is installed, now we have to close the ink cartridge chamber door. Now hold the ink cartridge chamber door and just press it down. It will lock itself. And go to the display screen again. So here we can see the ink cartridges are installed. So it tells all the details. Now it's saying start alignment to improve the print quality. So click OK. Now it says to install the paper sheets, as we have already installed in the cassette tray. So we just click OK. We can also take the paper tray out. So just put your hand here and you will see. Now we have to take this paper out and place it on the scanner. Now open the top scanner lid and place this page facing downwards on the left hand side corner and close the lid and click OK on the screen. On the screen it says the alignment is done, so just click OK. Click on next and just agree with the terms and conditions. And if you want to take part in a survey, you can click yes, or you can click on the no and click on the next. Click OK. And here finally we see the screen where we can see the copy, scan, fax, print, all options are there. Now I'll show you how to activate the Wi-Fi Direct of this printer, which is the wireless printing and scanning. So click on the setting option. Now click on the device setting. Click on the LAN setting. Here we see the second option is wireless direct. So we click on that. Look for enable disable wireless direct and click on so that we can switch it on. Now we can click on the C setting, and when we click on that you will see it says the name of the Wi-Fi Direct of this printer, which is TR7600 series, and the password is here. So click on show password and now it will display the password, so just scroll up. So here is the password of this printer. The next thing is to go to your device, for example iPhone. Open the Wi-Fi setting. In the Wi-Fi, look for Direct TR7600 series, as you can see here, and click on that. Now enter that password as it is displayed on the screen. So once we enter the password, click on the join button and wait for the printer's Wi-Fi to connect with the iPhone. Once it is connected, we go back and open the Canon Print app. You can download it from the App Store if you don't have this app. And once you click on the app, it will ask you, do you want to search for available printers? Click yes. It will search this printer and it will add up automatically. Now it's asking if you want to add it by Bluetooth. Click yes. Now we have to enable the Bluetooth of this device. Open the Bluetooth. Now switch on the Bluetooth of your device. Again go back and open the Canon Print app. And do you want to search for available printers? So click yes again. Here we can see the final confirmation. The printer is connected. So you can select the images to print if you want, otherwise click cancel. And on the main app you will see the Canon TR7600 series printer. Now I'll show you how to do the scanning using the top feeder tray. So we can open it like this. This is the automatic document feeder tray. So just slide this section. Now we have to place the page here facing upward. Go to your device and here we can see the scan option, so click on that. Click on the scan and wait for it. So here we can see the scan has been transferred. It was total 5 sheets, as you can see all are here. So you can just scan multiple pages using the top automatic document feeder, and here we can do the save or share. As you can see, use as a PDF, that will be a single file, and on the next screen you get option to save it. For example, I'm going to save it to files. So here you can select wherever you want, to the Canon Print or HP Smart app. So here is the Canon Print, I'm going to save it there. Now go back once you are done, and you also get the option like file document print, where you can do the wireless printing. Now you can click on the home button and you can go to the main screen. So overall I can say the printer is really good. If you are looking for multiple scannings, you can do at once. If you want, you can use the inbuilt Wi-Fi of this printer, and that I have shown you how to activate that and how to find the password and then connect it with any device. So you can connect it with any device like laptop, MacBook, iPhone, Android device, and then you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. It can also connect to the Wi-Fi network, and that you can watch in my later videos. If you want it for home or office, it's a very good printer. Thanks for watching.